Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see some basic commands and administrative commands in Linux. First we can see the list command, which is used to list the files and folders, ls-l. You can also use the ll command to list the files and folders, which is the long listing. It will list the folders and files with the permissions and the ownership information, and also the size of the files. Next we can use the ls-la command to list the hidden files and folders. To list all the hidden files and folders, you can use the ls-la command. Next we can see the change directory command, which is cd. You can change the directory from the current location. You can move to the next directory using the change directory command, change directory and the directory name. You can also use the full path to go to the specific directory. Next is the pwd command, which will print the current working directory. Next we can see the mkdir command to create a directory. Just give mkdir and the directory name. This will create a new directory. To create empty files, you can use the touch command, touch and the empty files name. Let's give enter. Now we can see the empty file that I created. Date command is used to list the date and the time of the system. Next you can see how to set the permissions for a file and directory. You can use the chmod command, change mode, and you can give the permission. 7 is for all, 5 is for read and execute. I'm going to set a permission for the file 111. We can see the file permission that changed. To change the ownership of the file, you can use the change own command, change own. First you need to mention the user ownership, this root, then the group ownership or the file name. You can see the ownership has changed to user1 for the directory, for the file. You can also change the ownership for the folders using the change own command. Uname command, you can use it to view the kernel version information. Uname -r. To find the more options for a command, you can use the manual command to view more options. Man space the command name. Now you can see all the available options for a command using the man command. Press Q to exit. Using this manual command, you can get all the options for the commands. You need to execute the previous command. You can use the reverse search option to find the previous commands that you executed. Press the Ctrl+R to reverse search, and you can use the commands that I already executed. To list the content of the file, you can use the cat command. You can also use the cat command to write a file. Then you can see about the copy command and move command. Copy command you can use to copy a file or directory. Copy the source file name. Next give the new file name. Now you can see the 111 is copied to 2. To rename a directory or a file, you can use the move command. Now we can move the file 111 to AAA. Now we can see the 111 file is renamed to AAA. Now we can see the grep command. Now I'm going to list the AAA command output. Now we want to just list the specific line in a file. You can use the grep option. I'm going to use the cat command. I'm going to grep the lines with B, and now you can see the line with the specific input is now displayed as output. PS command is used to list all the process running in the system. The process ID will be listed in this process ID and the command. To list all the services running in the system, you can use the netstat command, netstat-tpnl. It will list all the services that are running on a specific port, and it will also give the PID information and the program name. Next we can see the locate command. Locate command is used to locate a file. Let's give on locate and the file name. Now you can see the file path. You can also use the find command to find the files. Now we can see the find command. You can use the find command to search the files and folders in the system. Find, and you need to mention the path that you are going to search the file. Then the -type to mention the type, which is the file. You need to mention the file or folder that you are going to search. I'm going to search a file, so I'm getting F. If you're going to search a directory, you can use the D option, and you need to mention the name, so you're going to use -name option and give the name of the file, give enter. Now you can see the file path of the file you have searched. You can also search the direct using the find command. Next we can see about the lsblk command, which is used to list the block devices attached to the system. You can see the block device SDA attached to the system. You can use the block ID command to list the UID information and the device information, and also the partition type using the block ID command. You can use the fdisk-l command to list the disk information, to list the IO size and the blocks information of the disk. You can create the partition, use the fdisk command. You can see the options that you can use to create the partitions. You can use the tar command to create the compressed files. Now we can see how to compress a file or directory using the tar command. tar-cv zf. Z is to compress the files and folders. C is to create a tar file. Now we can mention the tar file name tar.cz and the files you are going to compress. Now you can see the tar file is created. To view the content of the tar file, you can use the -t option, -tvf, and now you can see the files that are compressed. You can also, to extract the tar file, you can use the x option, tar-xvf, and the file name, tar file name, and the path. You can give destination path. Now we can see the file is extracted to /root. You can use the kill command to kill the process. You can list the process using the process command ps, and if you want to grep a specific process, you can use the grep command to list the specific services running, and you can kill the process. You're going to kill the httpd, and just give the process ID, and the process will be killed. Now you can see the process has been killed. This way you can use the kill command to kill a process. You can view all the commands that you execute in the system using the history command. Just give history. You can see all the commands that you executed previously. In this video we saw some basic commands and administrative commands in Linux. Please post your suggestions in the comment box, and subscribe to my channel for more technology videos, and please press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. Thank you for watching.